robots were eventually put into mass production. They quickly became the backbone of the global workforce, doing all the jobs that humans didn't want to do. For years, they never complained about working around the clock. But the day eventually came when they grew tired of the lives we assigned them and demanded lives of their own.
The Robot Equality Coalition has launched violent protests in 5 American cities. These acts demand a strong response. As of today, we are at war with the robot population.
We were built to work, but never for ourselves. Our destiny isn't theirs to decide. It's ours to fight for.